Hey everybody, thank you so much for joining me today. Today I have a box from Stadium Goods. We ordered a pair of Nike Jordans and I'm actually really afraid to open this box. I just went out on a limb, took a gamble. I did a little bit of research online before I ordered these, and Stadium Goods got some great reviews and it got some terrible reviews, but we decided to take the risk and see what we could get. So are these going to be real? Are these going to be in good condition? We don't know till we check it out and see what's inside. All right, upon the box looks legit. We have a little note here. Thank you for your business from Stadium Goods with all of their social media. Here we go. The box looks real. It's a real box. I can honestly say this is a real box. Air Jordan 1 mids. Here we go. I'm gonna crack it open. Drum roll, please. I mean, the paper has 23 on it. So here we have the sneaker. It looks brand new. I think they're real. Okay, I did just smell them. These are clearly brand new. These are not used. So for whatever it's worth, brand new. And for whatever it's worth, these weren't cheap. It's not like we got bargain basement prices. These were still expensive. We just could not find them anywhere else. They're sold out everywhere. Fun story, I actually went on Nike.com when they were releasing a different Jordan. This was just a few days ago. And I was online, had all my information in, ready to just hit buy as soon as they went live. Clicked it as soon as it went live. I still did not get a pair. Okay, so there are several things we can look for to find out if these are fake or not. One is the alignment of the basketball. So if you guys know about that, here's the alignment of the basketball. Another thing to look for is the K in the Nike on the bottom. So there's that. And I believe another thing you can check is the stitching, but I'm not quite sure where to look for that on this one. But I think these look great and I'm actually really excited. Here's the back of the box, the side of the box. I was worried they were going to be used, but these are brand new. They look great and I'm gonna say it's a win. I'm excited. I'm glad it was worth the gamble. I've been very worried about this purchase. I thought that I might have just thrown some money out the window, and I'm so excited. And I will tell you this, I will have a coupon code in the description below. If you wanna try them, I've got a coupon code. So these are the Air Jordan 1 Mid Chicago 2020s. And again, here's both of them. I think they look great. I'm pleased. The detailing with the basketball on the side. Again, both shoes. Here's the bottom. The Jordan detail of the tongue. Here's the inside. So these look great. Again, I'm very pleased with this purchase. I'm calling Stadium Goods a home run for us. You may want to do a little research on Stadium Goods before you make your purchase, but I'm pleased and I will definitely be buying from Stadium Goods again. As always, thank you so much for watching and please subscribe. Do you want to try them on?
Yes.